Hey guys, Thrifty Christian here with a video. I want to show you guys a product that I've discovered. Real quickly, I'm just going to show you. It's called Goof Off. This is a spray. This is a spray container here. The reason why I'm making this video, sorry for having to lean down and get in the view of the camera, but the reason why I'm making this video is because I've used this stuff. I found this stuff to be great on polyester clothing to remove like stains and stuff. Now, this is a Nike, this is a boy's Nike dry fit. And as we all know, the dry fit material is like 100% polyester. And this is what I love about this stuff. Now, I will tell you, I'm not getting paid for this, but I just wanted to share it with you guys because I think it's like so far the best stuff that I've found that will remove stains and stuff like this. I got this shirt at the bins, and I don't know what that is. I tried to get it off. It's kind of sticky. It's kind of tacky, so it's kind of like maybe some glue or something. But what I wanted to do is I wanted to show you guys how this works. So I'm just going to go ahead and hold it up here and spray a little bit on there. And I've got an old rag over here. I'm just going to rub on it and see if it'll take it out. Now, one of the reasons why I love this stuff is because it doesn't remove the color. It's coming off. It's actually coming off, whatever that is. I can show you here. See it kind of flaking and peeling off? So whatever that stuff is, maybe I can just scratch it right off. But it does nothing to the color. It is very flammable. So whatever you do, don't get this stuff near a fire. I don't know if you guys know this or not, but polyester, I'll tell you a quick story while I'm doing this. A friend of mine had some highly flammable material, and he was taking dents. I guess he was removing a dent from a car, because that's what he did for a living. And he had polyester, like some Nike or Under Armour polyester jogging pants on, and he got this material on his polyester pants and took a break and sat in his car or his truck and started smoking a cigarette, and all of a sudden he just burst into flames. He got the cigarette too close to his pants. And if you didn't know this about polyester, it's like one of the worst materials that you can have on your body during a fire, because that stuff will just catch on fire, and it will literally stick to your body, and it'll melt right to your body. My friend, the burns that he sustained were mainly on his leg, where the liquid chemical saturated his pants. So it got on his thigh, but the worst of the burns were on his hands, because he tried to pat the flame out, and every time he hit it, that polyester material stuck to his hand and literally was like just like melted onto his palm. So that's really what's dangerous about working with flammable materials and polyester clothing. So what I recommend is immediately after you do this, after you use this Goof Off on polyester material, take it and wash it out with soap and water. I would normally use Dawn dishwashing liquid and to just break it up, or some type of hand soap or something like that, because the fumes are rather strong. So I don't recommend you using a lot of this. Just use a very little bit at first, and then have your rag ready and just kind of pat it like that to remove stains and stuff. So if you've got like white polyester, anything white, that solid polyester, and it's got a stain on it, use this, because I'm telling you. Well, let me show you. I ain't going to tell you nothing. Look, whatever that sticky stuff was, it's completely gone. It's out of there. So Now this shirt's ready to be listed. I'm going to wash it, of course, and get that out of there. I've already washed it once, but well, I was going to go list it, and then I noticed that sticky stuff on the sleeve. But I'm ready to go now. I'm going to wash that out. I'm going to be ready to go. So let me show you something else. Hold on one second. Here's an item that I wanted to do the video on initially. It's a Thor jersey. It's a motorcycle motocross jersey. And this thing is riddled. It's riddled with stains. So the young boy that owned it obviously was in some clay, because that's what it looks like. I mean, there's some horrendous stains, as you can see right there. But I guarantee you that if I spray this on there and start working it, it's going to remove those stains like nobody's business. These stains are like probably oil and grease and stuff, but I'm going to go ahead and try to work the stain or one of the stains out of this. Matter of fact, I just might as well pick one. Nah, it's just too much. It's a lot of work. It's too long for a video, so I'll just pass. But that's the type of stains that I'm talking about. Here's a good one on the shoulder right here. There's a good yellow stain right there, and that'll come completely out with this Goof Off. So it's the Pro Strength remover. I don't know if that's backwards in the camera or not, but Pro Strength, guys, this is good stuff. It says great for duct tape, scuff marks, caulk, and more. So it removes adhesive glue, asphalt and tar, and dried latex paint. So if you get because I've come across t-shirts that had like latex caulking on them and sprayed this on there on cotton, and it got it off. So the only way that this will damage cotton is if you rub on it with another cloth. If you rub really hard, it will mess it up. So guys, that's a quick tip to remove any stains from any polyester clothing that you may have. So hope you like the video, guys. Thank you. God bless each and every one of you. Thrifty Christian, I'm out.